spectacular specialist shuttle. Let's get together for a huddle, but not too close, got to keep the bubble. Let's start learning, come on, let's hustle. We fit together like a puzzle. Library, music, art, PE. It's the super spectacular specialist shuttle.
For this challenge, you will need a soft surface. Start off by sitting on your legs with your toes pointed outward. Use your arms to swing and load, jumping to your feet. If you're having trouble or feeling nervous, use one hand on a chair to help you start. For this challenge, try not to use any hands at all. Start off by sitting in a chair and standing up. Rotate your body 180 degrees, but keep your feet in place so now they are crossed. Your goal is to try and sit down, lie down, and stand all the way back up without using your hands. Twist and sit back into your chair. For this challenge, you'll need a medium-sized ball. Get into a plank position and grab the ball with one hand, lift it tall into the air. Drop and catch off of one bounce. Once you do that, try it with the other hand, drop and one bounce. For level 2, I'm going to use a smaller ball, trying to throw it in the air and catch it in the air with the other hand. Good luck. For balance squat, I'm going to be using two types of items, bean bags for level 1 and the cross balls for level 2. Place the items on the ground and try to balance on them so that your heels and your toes are up off the ground. Go down into your squat like you're sitting in an invisible chair and stand back up. Level 2 is the same thing, but using the lacrosse balls, which are a lot more challenging. For level 1.5, you can just try to balance on the lacrosse balls for 5 seconds. To start this challenge, put your feet up against the wall and take one small step backwards. Your goal is to go down into a squat without touching the wall. Once you have done that, take a step closer to the wall and try to do it again until your feet are touching the wall. Start off by lying on the ground and balancing one shoe on an extended leg. Try to roll over onto your stomach and then stand with the shoe staying balanced. If the shoe falls at any point, you need to start over from the beginning. Start off by taking half of your foot out of your shoe so that your toe is still in but your heel is out. This will help fling your shoe towards the bucket. Set up a basket and take as many steps as you want away from the basket. The more steps you take, the harder the task is going to be. Try to make one or both shoes into the bucket. A hollow body is when your arms are up in the air and your legs are up in the air and you're keeping your abs tight. Almost looks like a banana. The goal here is to get the stick under your feet and back over your feet without the stick, arms, or legs hitting the ground. For this, you'll need a stick or a long implement of some sort. Start off by putting the stick behind your legs and going down into a squat. Your goal is to get the stick onto the front of your thighs without using your hands. Once you do that, now you need to get it back to its starting position. this challenge, you'll need 3 tiny pieces of paper crumpled up into little balls. Start off by balancing one piece of paper on your elbow and try to quickly catch it with your hand. Once you complete one, add another, and then once you complete 2, add a third. Good luck. Your goal is to look up at the sky, close your eyes, and balance on one foot for as long as you can. Here I tried to balance for 20 seconds.